sucks dick. Never buy them. United Sprocket, United Crank, stock. Honestly, Twisted Pete, pedals with no pins. RO hub, laced to a sun wheel. Missing high 5 spokes. Shadow chain.
Hi. I like your shirt.
Gay stolen Vortex forks with bend drop out. Got a premium front wheel, all spokes are loose. With the Tioga power block in the front. Or Tioga street block in the front. Tioga power block in the back. Premium seat. Alright, stolen PLC stem with fit sky high bars. Best grips ever. Animal Edwin. Premium seat, the fit seat post. And United headset. United's game. You be going back? Hey, you gotta get your fuck out of the way.
Let's mark off and do a bar spin on the bank.
Wow, don't need to hot.
I'm not doing another one. That's good enough.
Let's mark off and that's spike check.